Hi everyone! Today I want to show you a real clinical case. Let's see how the surreal system works for residual root restoration. Before sharing, I want to introduce the doctor who gave us the case, Dr. Marlon Bravo, graduated from USP. He is really into digital dentistry and has great knowledge in this field. Okay, look at this picture. The patients only have the root left, so we need to make the post and the crown for him. And for this kind of cases, we need very high scanning accuracy, depth, and the details. This is the model scanned with UP610. The UP610 can scan the 27 plus or -3 depths, so you can see it can scan really deep and capture more details like gums and the tooth texture. If you also deal with such cases, the UP610 will be the great helper for your clinic.